YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And in today's video, man, I got an unboxing. Well, not an unboxing, I already unboxed it, but I guess a review for y'all that I am super excited about. But before we get into today's video, if you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel, turn on your notification bells. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. We were at 472 at the time of me recording this video. Also, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button. Helps with the algorithms, helps more people see the videos. And then last but not least, make sure you go ahead and follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there. First, man, particularly the shoes that we are talking about today, you would have seen them up there on my Instagram yesterday already. Just they came in late, so I didn't do the video, but here they go, man. Now let's just look into the box. Nothing crazy about the box. Regular red Nike box. Not gonna spend too much time there. We'll go into the label, and this is a Nike Air Max 1 Premium, and the official colorway is white, Mystic Dates, and Wolf Gray. You read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you already know what it is. We're gonna pull this back, bang, and here it is. The Nike Air Max 1 Premium, Mystic Dates, or Wolf Gray, or as I like to call them, the Mochas. All right, YouTube, here it is. You can see I have the right shoe in my hand just because it's easier to show you guys for the video. But here are both of them, man. Absolutely dope sneaker right here. A lot of people slept on these, and I touched on it before, way before they even released. These actually released the 11th, the day before the Jubilee 11s. I don't know why it took so long for them to get here. It took over a week. It took a week for them to ship, and then they got here yesterday. So it took like maybe 10 days, which I know isn't bad, but for Nike, you guys know that's a long time. One good thing about it though, however, Nike did ship them without the Just Rob Me tape. Finally, hopefully they got rid of it. But like I said, before this video came out, I was talking to you guys about this sneaker and why I was so excited for it, and I called it. The main reason why I was so excited for it was because of the way that Nike named it. We saw recently this year with the Mocha ones and how crazy that went. And anytime there's something with a brown color on it, if they attach the word Mocha or the word Travis Scott, because now in Nike, I guess, nomenclature, Travis Scott and Mocha colorways are adjacent to each other. They're one of the same. The hype beast, the botters, the resellers, they're all going to buy up anything that says the word Mocha on it. So I like it. And I know this isn't it's a little bit of a darker brown, so they called it a Mystic Date. But on the sneakers app, they didn't even acknowledge the brown at all in the writing of the shoe, which is great for people who just scroll through and don't actually look at pictures and just try to get the names to see what'll sell based off colorway. So these were just called the Wolf Gray, which is obviously this color up here, and a lot of people slept on it. Now, after they released, I got them on Sneakers app, made a video, a bunch of people in the comments talking about they're happy they got them, they slept on them, they took an L, a friend of mine, I'm actually not sure if he ended up getting them, but I think he might have got them off of Kith. But anyways, these are super dope, yo. I was actually sold off of the colorway, period. I was sold off of the colorway. This particular model of the Air Max 1, I've never been a fan of. And what I mean by that is the swoosh on the mudguard, I've never really been a huge fan of. And I've also never really liked leather Air Max 1s. However, with this particular shoe, the leather on this shoe is so soft. I'm gonna see if you guys can see it right here. The leather on here is absolutely amazing, great quality, super soft. It actually really surprised me. Like I said, I always stayed away from leather Air Max 1s just because in the back of my mind, I assumed that they would be stiff. Like I said, I never owned one, but I just never, you know how Nike leather is, Air Jordan 1 leather. You don't have the best experience with leathers, and the Air Max 1 is supposed to be a comfortable shoe, and I just thought that a leather would take a lot of that comfort away. especially recently I did my review on the Lemonade pair that came out, and while it did have a mesh toe box, it had a leather mud guard, which was super stiff, and I'm not a fan of that. But these are, as you can see, once again, man, super soft, really malleable, which is dope. Cannot wait to put them on foot. Yo, I absolutely love these. Could wear them with almost anything, just like you can with a Mocha one or a Travis Scott or a blah blah blah, insert hype beast name there. And then those of you who have been around the channel know of all the Air Max silhouettes, my two favorite silhouettes are the one in the 90, and the one just takes the cake over the 90 by a little bit to me. So absolutely excited to have another Air Max one in the collection. One of many, I lost count, but one of many Air Max ones that I have in my collection. Super excited. Just notice right here too, on the air bubble, we do get that brown kind of hue on the inside there, which is dope. We get a white midsole. I can't tell if that's brown or black. A white insole right there with the Nike Air on it. Regular Nike Air tongue, Air Max tongue, Nike Air on the back, which is dope. Super dope shoe. Yo, the leather on these is so crazy. For people that own these, I'm sure the Spiral Sages are the same thing. Now, once again, I stayed away from the Spiral Sage, like I said, because I'm not the biggest, at least before these, I wasn't the biggest fan of leather Air Max 1s, but after seeing them in hand, I may have to circle back for those Spiral Sages, because if they feel like this, then I might need those too. But those of you that got these, those of you that got the Spiral Sages, you know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the quality of them and how great this leather is. If you guys want to see how I lace these, I'm not gonna spend the time to unlace them right now and do a on foot. That's just gonna make this video too long. But if you guys do want to see how I lace my Air Max 1s, make sure that you go ahead and check out my how to lace playlist. I'll put the link to it down below in the description, and I have a lacing tutorial for Air Max 1s up there already, guys. But I absolutely love these, man. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Did you pick these up? Did you sleep on them? Do you wish you picked them up? A couple days after they released, I haven't checked the resale in a while, but I know on GoDaddy, like right after they released, so they released the 11th, I know on the 12th, they were reselling for $238. I'm sure that went down right now. If I had to guess, I'd say maybe in the 150, 160 range, maybe the 180 range. I think these retailed for 150, maybe around there. So you could definitely still get your hands on a pair of them for not that much. But let me know what you think about them down below in the comments, man. I personally love them, as you know. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Join the channel. Also, make sure that you go ahead, smash that like button. Really helps us hit our goals of 1,000 by the end of the year if you hit the like button, because of the way the YouTube algorithms work. Bring the videos to more people, and more people can join. We've been doing great lately. And then last but not least, make sure that you go ahead, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. Like I said, you would have seen these on my Instagram already if you follow it. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.